Hello everyone, welcome to PB CBSE Maths. Today in this video, we're going to solve exercise 14.2 first question. In the first question, we have a table. For this table, we need to find out the mode and mean of this given data. So, let's first calculate mode of this given data. For that, let's write formula. So, mode of the data is equals to L plus, we have formula f1 minus f0 divided by 2 times of f1 minus f0 minus f2 into class size. So we need to find out the values of L, f1, f0, f2, then class size at first. So let's do that. We can observe here the highest frequency in this given data is 23. So this will going to be our model class. So this 35 to 45 is our model class and its frequency is 23. So the value L is equals to lower limit of this model class, so which will going to be 35. Now let's calculate. Now let's find out the value of f1. So f1 is the frequency of this model class, which is 23. Then f0, that is the frequency preceding this model class, which is 21. So f0 is equals to 21. Then f2 is frequency which is next to the model class. So f2 will going to be 14. Now we got the values of f0, f1, f2, and we have the value of L. Then let's calculate h. H is equals to class size, that is difference of upper limit and lower limit. So that is 15 minus 5, which is equals to 10. Even 25 minus 15 is also equal to 10. So we got the values here. Let's substitute those all values in this formula. So mode is equals to L, that is 35 plus f1 value is 23 minus f0 value is 21 divided by 2 times of f1, that is 2 into 21, minus f0 value is also, sorry, here f1 value is 23 minus f0 value is 21 minus f2 value is 14 into that class size value is 10. Now we will simplify this further, which gives us 35 plus 23 minus 21, that is 2, divided by 23 twos are 46, minus 21 minus 14 gives us minus 35 into 10. So 35 plus 2 by 46 minus 35, that is 11 into 10, which gives us 35 plus 20 by 11. So 11 on the 11, 9 remains. We will give a point, that becomes 90. 11 8s are 88. Again 2 remains, that becomes 20. 11 1s are 11. So we got 35 plus 1.81, which means 36.81 is the mode of this given data. Now let's calculate mean for this given data. For that, we have that class interval, that is age, and that given frequency. Let's calculate this mean using assumed mean method. For that, we have to take any one class mark as assumed mean. So let's first find out class mark of this given data. Class mark can be found by adding upper limit with lower limit, then dividing it by 2. So 15 plus 5 gives us 20 divided by 2, that is 10. Here it is 25 plus 15, 40. So 40 divided by 2, that is 20. In the same way, here we're going to get 30. Here it is 40. Here it is 50. Here it is 60. So now let's take any one value as assumed mean. For that, let's take this 40 as the value of a. So we will take the value of a as 40 at here. After that, we will calculate the value of this undefined interval. So let's take the value of a as 40, then h, that is class size value, you can observe here width is 10 in every case, so h value will going to remain the same, which is 10. Now let's calculate undefined interval. So x minus a, that is 10, minus a value is 40, divided by h value is 10. In that case, we have minus 30 by 10, which is equals to minus 3. Here 10 minus 20 by 10, sorry, here 20 minus 40 comes here. So 20 minus 40 by 10, that is minus 20 by 10, which is equals to minus 2. Here 30 minus 40 by 10, which means minus 10 by 10, which gives us minus 1. Here 40 minus 40 by 10, which means result will going to be 0. Here 50 minus 40 divided by 10, that is 10 by 10, which gives us 1. At last 60 minus 40 divided by 10, that is 20 by 10, which gives us 2. Now we got the values of this undefined intervals. Let's multiply that with this 6. 6 into minus 3 gives us minus 18. 11 into this minus 2 gives us minus 22. 21 into minus 1 gives us minus 21. 23 into 0 gives us 0. 14 into 1 gives us that 14. At last 5 into 2 gives us 10. So this is our FI/UI value. To calculate mean, we need the sum of this FI/UI value and also this frequency. So let's find out the sum of this given data. So here we can write summation of FI/UI is equals to minus 18 minus 22, that is minus 40 minus 21 gives us minus 61 plus 24, which is equals to plus, sorry, minus 37. So which is equal to minus 37. Here let's find out the summation of f, which is equals to 11 plus 6 17. 17 plus 21 gives us 38. 38 plus 23 gives us 61. 61 plus 14 gives us 75, plus 5 gives us 80. So summation of f value is 80. Let's calculate now arithmetic mean. Sorry, mean, that is arithmetic mean. Mean is equals to a plus h times summation of FI/UI divided by summation of f. This is our formula. A value is 40 plus h value is 10 times summation of FI/UI value is minus 37 by 80. So this can be further calculated as 40 plus, here we can cancel this 0 and this 0. Then we are left with minus 37 by 8. So now let's cancel this minus 37 by 8. 8 ones are 8 fours are 32. 5 remains, that becomes 50. 8 6 are 48. Then 2 remains, that becomes 20. 8 twos are. So we have 40 minus 4.62. Let's subtract that now. In that 40, then we get 10 minus 2 8, 10 minus 7 3, 10 minus 5 gives us 5, 4 minus 1 gives us 3. So the value of bar x is equals to 35.38. That is the mean of this given data, and the mode of this given data is 36.81. So this is our solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.